Good afternoon, everyone. Please all sit in a prayerful posture. We will begin the class with a prayer. Keep hands on the lap and close your eyes. And get ready for the prayer. Dear Heavenly Father, keep each and everyone safe and protect each one of us from any harm and danger. Keep your loving hand on each one of us. We pray that through your divine guidance, we would learn how to listen attentively. May all the students participate actively in the discussion. May we value each other contribution as a building block towards harmony and peace. Amen. My dear students, today we'll start with the new chapter, and the name of the chapter is Light. That video I'll share with you afterwards. First, I will teach you what important thing you have to study in this chapter. So everybody knows when we are in a dark room, we are not able to see anything. If we will switch on the light, then only we are able to observe the things which are in our surrounding. Now, what makes the thing visible? It is only when light from an object enter our eyes, when anything or light which enter our eyes, that we then only we are able to see the object. The light may have been emitted by the object or may have been reflected by it. So I'll share my video with you about very important law which you have to study in this chapter. Okay. Now here you are able to see the ray of light which strikes the mirror. Now from where the light is coming on the object where they are doing the work. This is very important. Please see it carefully. From where the light is on, you can see the direct light is falling down. And the same light will be reflected also. That you have to study in the today's topic, which is very important and the new topic for you. Please see the video carefully and then I'll ask you the questions. So what this ray of light is called? Incident ray. Asma Sharma, unmute yourself. I have unmuted you. You unmute yourself. Asma Sharma, yes. Asma, are you able to see the screen? What video I am sharing? Arya Gupta, unmute yourself. Muskan, wait, bache. I'll give chance to others also, na? Arya Gupta, faster. Nitika, unmute yourself. Nitika?
Yes, ma'am.
Good. Now, are you able to see the screen?
Yes, ma'am.
What is given on the screen? Please read that.
Consider this ray of light which strikes a mirror.
Yes, you have
This
seen
ray,
when they were in the dark room, they were not able to see anything. Now they have brought that big table under the light. So what they have written after this? This ray of, what is written?
this ray of light is called the incident ray.
Yes, when you on the light in the room and where that particular light falls, that is called the incident ray. This is very important, girls. Please keep this thing in your mind. The ray of light from where the light comes, that is called the incident ray. Fine. Thank you, bache. Shreya Gupta,
Okay, ma'am.
yourself. Shreya Gupta, unmute yourself, beta. I have unmuted you. You unmute yourself. Yes. Good. Now see the video and then after that you will speak when I'll tell you to speak. Now read this. Shreya, read the third point. Ashmeet, unmute yourself. You people are unmuting. And again you are muting yourself. Yes, Ashmeet, good.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Pearlpreet, unmute yourself. You have to unmute yourself.
Yes,
Good.
ma'am.
Okay. Ashmeet, please read the third point.
Yes, ma'am. The point at which the incident ray strikes the mirror is called the point of incidence.
Now, what is that point of incidence? I will bring my cursor to that. See the angle which is made there. In the maths, when you see two lines joining together, you see they make an angle. So here also the point at which the incident ray strikes. You are able to see the line is coming from the top. The light is coming from the torch and it is falling on the particular object. That is called the point of incidence. Fine. I'll start next now.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, Pearlpreet, are you able to see what is written on the screen there?
Yes, ma'am.
Please read that line, sentence.
Draw a line perpendicular to the mirror through the point of incidence.
Yes, they are saying when you have thrown the light on the object, then from that particular point, you draw 90-degree angle. Everybody knows the 90-degree angle. When you keep the protector in the center, straight on the top, you see the 90-degree. So when you will draw, you will get a straight line. So draw a line perpendicular to the mirror through the point of incidence. That means a 90-degree angle will be formed. That is normal. So when you will understand this diagram, then you will come to know what I am telling you. First, you have to understand when we throw the light from a particular object, that is called incident ray, and the angle is called the angle of incidence. And when we draw the 90-degree angle from that particular point till up, then it is called normal. Fine. I'll start now. Pearlpreet, please read the next line. What is written there?
This line is called normal. Normal means perpendicular.
Normal means perpendicular. Understood? Okay. Fine, Pearlpreet. Now you mute yourself. Akriti, you unmute yourself. Akriti Atri. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Are you able to see the screen? Are you able to see the diagram which is there on the
Yes.
screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. What you are able to see, they have labeled 2 lines there.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, one is the incident ray and second one is point of incidence.
No, that is, the second one is the
Ma'am,
normal.
normal.
Yes. Point of incident is when you will see the incident ray and the normal. In between, you are able to see the angle. I will show you
Yes,
that.
ma'am.
Yes, here. Here, when I will make the angle where my cursor is going, that is known as the point of incidence. Okay? Fine.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Now I'll continue. You just wait for a second. I'll continue the video. Now read this, Akriti. Read the third sentence.
The angle which the incident ray makes with the normal is called the angle of incidence.
Okay, I'm muting you because some disturbance is coming from behind. Okay, fine. Now listen. Now we have studied 3 sentences. When we throw light on a particular object, it falls down. And when it falls down, that is a particular ray, incident ray. And where it falls down, that is the angle of incidence. So the angle which the incident ray makes with the normal is called the angle of incidence. Here, particular angle will be here. You see, I am putting the cursor there. So where the 2 lines are joining, they will make one angle, and that angle is called the angle of incidence. Okay. Aditi, now 1 minute. Aditi Singh, unmute yourself. Aditi Singh. Faster, beta. You are having SST class also, na? Faster, Aditi Singh. Unmute yourself. Arya, unmute yourself. When I tell you to unmute, you run away from somewhere else. Unmute faster, bache. I have to continue. Arya Gupta. Asma Sharma, unmute yourself. Asma.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, bache. Prachi, unmute yourself. Prachi, I am unmuting you also unmute. Yes. Okay. Now, Asma, I will start the video and then I'll tell you what you have to speak. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
See the angle of incidence. Say now, bache. Asma, read the sentence. What
Yes,
is
ma'am.
there?
When the incident ray strikes the mirror, it will bounce off the mirror.
Yes. When that means when we throw the light on something, it will bounce back. Bounce back. Again it comes back to our eyes. So that's why we are able to see the objects. Okay. Wait. Wait a minute. Disturbance should not be there, beta. Perfect silence should be there. See how it is bouncing back. Okay, who was the next participant whom I unmuted? Asman, one more was there, na?
Ma'am, Prachi.
Prachi. Yes, bache. Read the second sentence. What is given there? Read, beta. The rays. Prachi, are you there?
The ray which bounces.
Say.
Ma'am, I am Asma only.
Asma, only where Prachi has gone disappeared. Okay, Asma, you say, bacha. The ray which.
The ray which bounces off is called the reflected ray.
Now you have seen incident ray. You all have seen normal, and now you are seeing one ray which is coming from the light. It is reflecting. So that is called the reflected ray. I am muting you. Disturbance is coming. Okay. Now I'll on my video and see what you will observe. Okay. Now you came to know about reflection. Khushi, unmute yourself. Khushi, unmute yourself, beta. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, beta. 1 minute. Give me 1 minute. Okay. Now, are you able to see the third sentence? What is given about the reflected ray on the screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Read that third sentence.
The angle which the reflected ray makes the normal is called angle of reflection.
Now you have seen the normal and the reflected ray. They are again making one angle. So that particular angle is called the angle of reflection. Now what is reflected ray? Please repeat that sentence. Second one.
The ray which bounces off is called the reflected ray.
Okay, just wait for a second. Just wait. I will on my video and then we'll come to know what we are studying here. So angle of reflection they are showing. I think so everybody understood about the two laws of reflection. Now I'll stop sharing my video and I'll share my screen with you telling you what we have to study. This was the very important topic which I have shared with you. Now video I will stop and then I'll share my screen with you telling you about the, yes, the diagram is there. Then I'll tell you about the diagram. See here, the same diagram that was shown in the activity, that same diagram is there. So in that diagram, you are able to see, the mirror. Down is the mirror. This is the mirror. Mirror, and on the mirror you are able to see the incident ray and the reflected ray. So where the light falls, that is called incident ray, and they label it with θ1, just showing you that this is incident ray. And the reflected ray, they have designated you with the θ2, that is angle of reflection, and the center is the normal. Okay, fine. Just 1 minute, then I will share the proper things with you. This is the diagram which I have, activity we have seen. Just 1 minute, give me 1 minute. Now, after these two laws we have studied. That means one is angle of incidence is always equal to the angle of reflection. These laws are on your book and you see page number 146 of your book. 146 page, right side. The angle of incidence is always equal to the angle of reflection. This is the first law of reflection. First we will study about the laws and then we will study about regular. What is regular and irregular? Just give me 1 second. So what is the first law? The angle of incidence is always equal to the, or I will write on the whiteboard. Just give me 1 second. I will write on the whiteboard about the incident ray and the reflected ray. Just give me a second. So what are the two laws? The incident ray is equal to reflected ray, and the incident ray, the reflected ray and the normal all lie on the same plane. All lie on the same plane. So these are the two laws of reflection. And when you have seen, particular reflection also will be straight. And when the path is not straight, that means the particular reflection is also not straight. Now you just wait. Just 1 second. I will write on the whiteboard so that you are able to understand. Just 1 minute. The laws of reflection I will write. You have seen the video now, na, about the incident ray, reflected ray and normal. Now These are related to two laws. Laws L A W S, laws of reflection. Laws of reflection. Now I will write down what was the first law. The first law is angle ANGLE, angle of incidence. Angle of incidence is equal to angle ANGLE, angle of REFLECTION, angle of reflection. So what we will do is, now just wait a second. Ritanjali, unmute yourself. Faster, bache. Unmute yourself faster. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
See the screen? Are you able to see the screen, Ritanjali? Say beta faster. So much time is there. You are wasting.
Yes, ma'am.
Read from the screen what is given there. Read the first sentence. What is written there?
Angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection.
You have seen the incident ray and the reflected ray in the video. So in that video, it is told when the light falls from the screen, that means from the light, then it will reflect it back also. So what is the first law? Angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection.
Reflection.
Okay, fine. Lichvi, unmute yourself. Unmute
Yes,
yourself.
ma'am.
Okay, I will write the second law now, and then you read that second law. Fine.
Okay, ma'am.
Law is angle ANGLE, angle of, or we can write incident ray. That way we will write it much better. Okay, incident, INCIDENT, incident ray. Then I'll put 1 minute. Incident ray I put. Then I will write REFLE, 1 minute, ECTED. Incident ray, reflected ray, and normal, 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 all lie on the same plane, PLANE. Okay. Now, Lichvi, please read from the screen what is given there.
Incident ray, reflected ray, and normal all lie on the same plane.
Yes, these are the two laws of reflection. So please repeat the first law and then the second law.
First law is angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection, and
Yes.
second law is incident ray, reflected ray, and normal all lie on the same plane.
Okay. Arshita, unmute yourself. Arshita. Arshita, unmute yourself. Faster, bache. When we say unmute, unmute has to be done faster. Ashwin, unmute yourself. Faster, Ashwin. Unmute yourself. I have unmuted you. Ayushi Sambyal, unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, bache. Are you able to see the screen? Laws of reflection.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, bache. Read the two laws which are given there. Faster.
Ma'am, the first law is angle of incidence equals to angle of reflection.
Yes.
And the second is incident ray, reflected ray, and normal all lie on the same plane.
Yes, these are the very two important laws which you have to study in the chapter light. Angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection. You have seen in the diagram. The plane path was
Yes,
there,
ma'am.
and when the light falls, it reflects also. So incident ray is equal to reflected ray. And the second law, you have seen the straight path. In that straight path, you have seen the incident ray, you have seen the reflected ray, and the normal. All the three lines were on one line only. So that it means that incident ray, reflected ray, and normal all lie on the same plane. Understood, Ayushi?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, Gurleen, unmute yourself. I have unmuted you, bache. You have to unmute yourself. Disturbance should not be there. Those who are, I have unmuted you, mute yourself now. Only Gurleen. Gurleen, faster. Gunleen, you unmute yourself. Gunleen. 1 minute, where Gunleen has gone.
Yes, ma'am.
Gunleen, have you unmuted or Gurleen has unmuted?
Ma'am, Gurleen.
Okay, Gunleen, you also unmute yourself. I have unmuted you, you unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, beta, just wait for a second. I will clear the what is written there. Okay. Now, we will study two important, another definition. That is DIFFUSED. Diffused or irregular, IRREGULAR, irregular reflection, REFLECTION. What I have written on the top there, Gurleen, please read.
Ma'am, diffused or irregular reflection.
Yes, I will say the definition and then you repeat after me. When all the parallel
Okay, ma'am.
reflected from a plane surface are not parallel. You have seen in the diagram the path down was straight. But here, if the path is zigzag, the down path is not straight. That means when the reflection will be formed on the top, all the lines will be irregular. Okay. So repeat after me. When all the parallel rays
When all the parallel rays
reflected from a plane surface
reflected from a plane surface
are not parallel, the reflection is known as
ma'am, so reflection.
the reflection is
known as
diffused or irregular reflection.
diffused or irregular reflection.
Okay. Gunleen, are you there,
Yes,
beta?
ma'am.
Okay, then I will
Yes,
write
ma'am.
now another one. Just wait a second. I will write another one, that is regular. Okay. Just 1 minute. REGULAR. Now the two types of reflection are there. One is regular, another one is irregular. Please repeat now what I said, Gunleen.
Ma'am, there are two types of reflection, regular and irregular.
What is irregular? I told irregular now, na? When the path, you can say in your
Yes,
own
ma'am.
language also, bache. It's not compulsory to read from the book. When the path is irregular, then the reflection formed also will be irregular. Like if I will draw a line zigzag down, and on the top, if I will try to make the lines, you will see the shadow of that line is irregular. Okay. So what is regular now? Gunleen, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now what is regular reflection? When the surface is smooth means plane, which you have seen in the incident ray, reflected and normal when the light was fallen on that. When the surface is smooth, down when the mirror is straight there, path is straight, or the line which we have drawn is straight, what will happen to the reflection on the lines drawn on the top?
Ma'am, they will be regular.
Regular reflection, that only, bache. When the surface is smooth, when the down path is straight, then the reflection formed also will be regular. Fine, understood?
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, just 1 minute. Give me 1 minute. Okay. So what we have done till now, we have done Jazz, this one, Harnoor, unmute yourself. Harnoor, unmute yourself. Harshdeep, unmute yourself. Faster, beta, faster. You have to join this class also. So, anybody wants to ask anything about laws of reflection and diffuse or irregular? Anybody wants to ask anything? I will unmute you all for a second. Or you want to raise your hand in the chat? Everybody understood? I am unmuting you all. Anybody wants to ask anything?
No, ma'am.
No,
No, ma'am.
Clear to you, Muskan?
No, ma'am.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, who is saying, Bache? Florence, you want to say?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
I'll mute all and then I will unmute you. Just wait a second. 1 minute, Florence. 1 minute. Just give me a second. Okay. I am unmuting. You also unmute yourself, Florence. Unmute yourself. Are you able to unmute? Faster, bache. Faster karo na. From the screen you have to do yes. Say
Yes,
beta.
ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, I want to ask that these laws of reflection,
Yes.
ma'am, we have to write in our notebook.
Yes, beta. I will give you the question and answers also. Don't take tension. This was your for
Okay,
your
ma'am.
understanding to make you understand from the video how these laws are formed. If I'll put the line and the diagram only and send you, you will not able to understand, na? So same way,
Yes,
this
ma'am.
with the help of activity I made you understand, so that it became easy for
Okay,
you
ma'am.
to understand. Okay? Did you
Okay,
understand what
ma'am.
I taught you today?
Yes, ma'am.
So now you have to join for the SST class also. Just 2 minutes left.
Yes, ma'am.
So I'll end up the class now. Bye to all. Bye everyone.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, beta. Bye everyone.